directors. I'm the main director of the company. My son more or less runs it. I am supposed to be semi-retired, but I still work most days of the week. We're basically a timber merchant, but we're mainly a specialist in joinery, specialised mouldings, picture frame mouldings, door frame mouldings, a lot of fire doors, lippings, hardwood, softwood, basic mouldings. Very good machine, very robust, basic, easy to use, very simple, and a very good machine that's lasted 50 years, and now the runners, more or less the runners have run out. It's getting old. Time for a change. I've known Dalton for years. We've bought other machinery from them, and it's just a well-known name. Basically done it all online, spoke to the office. It will just carry on as we left off, because the old machine was a very good machine, and this is a very similar, robust machine. Used Dalton's own finance people. There was 2 of them, all done lovely, simple job, done in a matter of days.